What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play I Don't Know You Yet by Alexander23 on the good old uke. As always with every ukulele tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will include a skip to section right here. You can skip to the chords, the chord progression, or the strumming if you don't want to sit through the entire 10-minute video. Totally get you, but if you do, I love you so much. But also what I do want to note is that I will be uploading a full play-along video for this song. It'll be uploaded the next day, so if you're watching in the future, make sure to go check the links in the description. It'll say click here to watch the full ukulele play-along video, or I'll also link it in the top of the comments, so make sure to go check that out. Basically, that just consists of me playing and singing the entire song with the chords and lyrics on screen, so it's super easy to know what the lyrics are for the song and also when to change chords, because the chords will be above the lyrics, and that's super easy for you. Also, I have the entire chord sheet in the description, so you can copy and paste it and save it for yourself. So that is all that good stuff. So if you're interested in learning what chords we need for this song, then just keep on watching. So this song only has 3 chords, and those chords are A minor, C, and finally F. So if you're like, Ricky, I know those chords, let's move on to the chord progression or how we play this song. Again, skip to section right here. You can skip to whatever section in the video that you want to skip to. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing yesterday, an hour ago, just right now I got my uke and I don't know any of the chords, please help me. Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're gonna go step by step on where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord, and then we'll talk about the chord progression and then how we actually play the song with the finger pick. So if you wanna learn how to play each chord, then just keep on watching. Also, a little side note, if you're like, Ricky, what uke is this? This is the Enya Nova U series from Enya Ukulele, and it's absolutely amazing. It is this sort of a baby blue color, and it's honestly one of my favorites. I also have this in black, which I will be playing in the play along video, so make sure to stay tuned for that video if you want to see what it looks like in black. But if you can't wait and you're like, Ricky, I want to get this uke right now, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can buy this on Amazon. I highly recommend this uke. I can't speak enough good things about it. One, the price is absolutely amazing. I think it's going for 80 bucks, 89 bucks. So that is absolutely a great price for a concert size uke, and just the look of it, the style of it, the sound of it is super good. So if you want this uke, make sure to check the links in the description. Also, a huge thank you to Enya for making such great ukes. Alright, let's learn these chords that we need for this song. As always, I will include a visual representation right here. I feel like it's just a lot easier when you can visually see where you need to put your fingers on the uke, and then also have me talk you through it. So, the first chord that we need is the A minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger, and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, which again, that's the top string, 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, which again, that is a bottom string, 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more time, make sure to pause the video right now and just get really comfortable with the finger positioning for each chord, and then also making sure that it sounds crisp and clear. And once you have that down, make sure to press play, and now let's talk about the chord progression for the song coming up next. Alright, so we just learned about the chords. Now let's talk about the chord progression for the song, which is super simple because it stays the same throughout the entire song. So once you get this down, you basically have the entire song down. So it's going to be A minor, F, and then C. So again, it's just going to be A minor, F, C. So that is the entire chord progression for this song. I will leave it up here as well when we talk about how we actually play this song with the finger pick coming up next. So again, A minor, F, C, that is the chord progression for this song. And now let's talk about the finger pick, how we're going to actually play this song coming up next. Alright, so we just talked about chords, we talked about the chord progression, and now let's talk about how we're going to actually play this song. So the way Alexander plays this in his song is with the finger pick, and that's exactly how we're going to learn it here. Also, what I do want to note is that if you're like super new and you're like, I don't even want to do finger pick, I don't want to do strumming, you can always do a down strum. And it'll just sound just as awesome. Again, whenever you do see that chord change above the word, that's when you change chords. And the chord sheet will be all in the description below, so you can copy and paste it again. Keep it for yourself, save it on your laptop, computer, cell phone, wherever you save things, and have it there for you so you can have the entire song with the lyrics and chords on your laptop or wherever for you. So that's my gift to you. But yeah, let's talk about the finger pick that we're going to do for this song. So it's going to be, start off with the A minor chord, and you're going to pluck the second and first string twice for the A minor chord. So it's going to go 1, 2, and then when you go to F, you're going to pluck the third and first once. So it's going to go, A minor is going to be 2, 1, 2, F, 1, and then C, you're going to pluck the third and first string 4 times. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, let's do that one more time. So A minor, 2, 1, 2, 1, F, 3, 1, C, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. So that is the entire way you're gonna finger pluck this song, but there is a section in the actual song that is a little bit different at the end, so let's talk about that. But that finger pluck style, the A minor, that is how you're going to do the entire song. But again, as I mentioned, there's a little section in this lyrics in the song that he kind of plays it just a smidge, a little bit different, which we'll talk about right now. So that little difference in the finger pick is going to be in the chorus at the end where he goes, but I only got half a heart to give to you. It's going to be, A minor is going to stay the same with the 2 plucks. So it's going to be 2, 1, 2, 1. Now this is where it's going to change a little bit. So F usually is just going to be 3, 1, but you're going to do that twice. So it's going to go A minor, 2, 1, 2, 1, F, 3, 1, 3, 1, and then C, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. So usually in the beginning of the finger pluck, whether we learned, it's just going to be, it was A minor, 2, 1, 2, 1, F, 3, 1, and then C, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. But at the end of the chorus, again, where he's like, but I only got half a heart to give to you, that one is going to be A minor, 2, 1, 2, 1, F, 3, 1, 3, 1, C, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. So that is how the finger pluck is for this song. Again, if you're like, Ricky, I don't even want to deal with that right now, I just want to do down strums. Again, you can always do down strums when you see the chord change. And it will sound just as awesome. So we talked about the chords, we talked about the chord progression, and how we actually play this song. So congratulations, you now know how to play I Don't Know You Yet by Alexander23 on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and hit the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video. One huge thank you again to Enya for making such great ukes. If you do want to get this uke, again, the link will be in the description below. Highly recommend this one, and I will be playing the black one in the play along, so if you want to go to see how that sounds and looks, make sure to come back to the channel for the full play along for this song. And also a huge thank you to you for watching. I really do appreciate you hanging out and just relaxing, learning a new song, and just enjoying these 10-15 minutes. I really appreciate that you hang out with me every single time. And again, make sure to give this video a like and also hit that subscribe button and bell notification if you haven't already. Also, follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. We've reached over 55,000 Instagram family members, and I would love for you to join. So if you want to go join the Instagram fam, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Send me a DM letting me know what video you came from and what else. That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. Leave a comment below letting me know what song recommendations you want me to do for this channel, or what kind of videos. If you want me to do some other type of video that's not ukulele or whatever, my ears are always open. So let me know in the comments below what you want to see on this channel. Also, what I do want to note, this is actually pretty big, is I'm actually going to be starting a second channel, which is going to be mainly for other things than music. So if you were curious about like vlogs or any of that kind of stuff, make sure to subscribe to my second channel. It's just more Ricky Somborn. I'll have it linked in the description below, and it's also on my YouTube page. It'll say on the side, you'll see more Ricky Somborn. So that's my second channel. I'm going to be uploading a lot more there as well. I just made it, so if you want to go check it out, I'd love you forever. I think I'll be uploading my first vlog this weekend. So if you want to go check that out, subscribe to that second channel. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.